Hey there, I'm Monkey. What's your name?
Hi, Monkey. I'm Giraffe. Nice to meet you. Your tail is so long.
Thanks. Yours is pretty impressive too. So tell me about your family.
Well, I have a tall family, lots of cousins in the savannah. How about you?
My family swings from the trees in the jungle. We're quite acrobatic.
That sounds fun. Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, I have 3 mischievous brothers. Always up to some antics.
Haha, siblings are the same everywhere. I have a younger sister who's a bit of a prankster.
Sounds like we have some common ground. What's your favorite food?
I love munching on leaves from the tallest trees. What about you?
I'm all about the juicy fruits. Bananas are a personal favorite.
Bananas, huh? I might have to try those sometime.
Definitely. By the way, do you have any cool survival tricks in the wild?
Well, my height helps me spot predators from a distance. How about you?
We're experts at swinging away from danger and finding the best hiding spots in the trees.
Clever. Any memorable adventures you've had?
Once, we swung through the entire jungle to find a hidden waterfall. What about you?
I traveled across the savannah to find a new feeding ground. Quite the journey.
Impressive! Ever had a really embarrassing moment?
Well, I once tripped over my own legs while running. It was quite a sight.
Ha ha ha! I've had my fair share of tree branch mishaps. We all have clumsy days.
True? What's your favorite thing about your home?
The dense canopy makes for great hide-and-seek spots. How about the savannah?
The open spaces and endless horizons, especially during sunset, it's breathtaking.
Nature is amazing, isn't it? Got any unique talents?
I can reach the highest leaves with my long neck. What about you, Monkey?
I'm a skilled climber and can swing effortlessly from branch to branch.
Nice! Have you ever met animals from other habitats?
Occasionally, we encounter birds and insects in the jungle. How about you?
I've seen elephants and zebras passing through. It's always interesting.
Different worlds, but we're all part of this big animal kingdom. Any dreams or goals?
I dream of finding the lushest patch of trees to call my own. What about you, Monkey?
I'd love to discover new types of fruits and maybe even teach my brothers some new tricks.
Sounds like exciting plans. Any concerns for the future?
Deforestation worries me. We need those trees for our homes.
I share that concern. Human impact on our habitats is a challenge we face.
True. We should protect our homes. On a lighter note, what's your favorite weather?
I enjoy sunny days, but a cool breeze is always refreshing. How about you?
I love swinging in the trees when it's just the right mix of sun and shade.
Sounds delightful. Ever tried swinging from my neck of the woods?
Not yet, but I'm up for an adventure. Maybe you can show me around sometime.
Absolutely. It would be fun to explore each other's homes. Any favorite games?
We love playing Who Can Swing the Farthest. What about the Savannah games?
Tallest Tower of Leaves is a popular one. It's all about balance and precision.
Interesting. We should organize a game day sometime.
I mean, it'll be a cross-habitat gaming extravaganza. What's your bedtime routine?
We gather in the treetops, share stories, and swing gently until we doze off. How about you?
I usually find a comfy spot under the stars. The night breeze is soothing.
Nature's lullaby. Ever had a scary encounter with a predator?
Luckily, my height usually keeps me out of reach. How about you and your brothers?
We've had a few run-ins with big cats, but our agility helps us escape. Teamwork is crucial.
Teamwork is indeed key. Speaking of which, do you have a close-knit community?
Absolutely. We look out for each other and share our finds in the jungle.
That's heartwarming. The savanna animals have a strong sense of community too.
It's important to have a support system. Any favorite jungle folklore?
We have tales about wise old giraffes guiding lost animals with their long necks. How about you?
There's a legend about a legendary banana tree that grants wishes to the bravest monkey.
Both sound enchanting. Any favorite season in your habitat?
I love the vibrant colors of the rainforest during the wet season. What about the savanna?
The dry season has its charm, golden landscapes and clear skies. Each season is unique.
Agreed. Nature has a way of showcasing its beauty. Got any favorite sounds?
I enjoy the rustling of leaves and distant animal calls. How about you?
The playful chatter of my fellow monkeys and the sounds of the jungle at night.
Nature's symphony. Do you ever venture to other parts of the jungle?
Occasionally, especially when we're exploring new territories. Keeps things interesting.
Exploration is essential. The savanna has its uncharted spots too. Any favorite plants?
I love the vibrant orchids in the canopy. What about your favorite savanna flora?
Acacia trees. They provide food and shade, a true savanna staple. Do you have a favorite tree?
The giant kapok tree is a favorite hangout spot for us. What about you?
Baobab trees are iconic in the savanna, offering both food and shelter.
Nature's architects, those trees. Ever tried swinging on vines in the savanna?
Vines are not really my thing, but watching animals swing from them is amusing.
Well, next time you're in the jungle, I'll teach you some vine-swinging moves. It's a blast!
I might take you up on that offer. Swinging from vines sounds exhilarating. Ever encountered any friendly creatures in the jungle?
Oh yes! We have playful parrots and curious butterflies. How about the savanna?
Birds like hornbills often accompany us, and there are friendly meerkats too. It's a lively bunch.
Sounds like a vibrant community. Do you have a favorite spot in the savanna?
The watering holes are fascinating, especially during migration season. What about your favorite jungle spot?
The hidden waterfall I mentioned earlier. It's our secret oasis. Water, vines, and lush greenery.
A waterfall in the jungle sounds magical. I'd love to see it someday. What's your favorite way to spend a lazy day?
Just lounging in the treetops, enjoying the breeze and sharing stories. How about you?
Finding a shaded spot and peacefully observing the savannah life. It's quite relaxing.
We all need our chill days. Do you have any quirky habits?
Sometimes I catch myself staring at the clouds for hours. A little daydreaming never hurts.
Cloud gazing is a great pastime. We monkeys are known for our acrobatic displays. Any special dance moves in the savannahs?
Well, we have a unique way of gracefully moving our long necks, a dance of elegance.
Elegant indeed. If you could choose an animal friend from the jungle, who would it be?
Maybe a clever monkey like you. It'd be interesting to see the jungle through your perspective.
I'd pick a wise old giraffe like you. Your height and insight would be invaluable. Any fears?
I'm always cautious around predators. Height doesn't guarantee safety. How about you?
Fire and deforestation are our biggest concerns. They threaten our homes. What's your favorite night sky view?
The stars over the savannah create a breathtaking canvas. What about the jungle night sky?
The fireflies light up the canopy, creating a magical atmosphere. Nature's own light show. Any cultural traditions?
We have a yearly migration where animals from all over gather. It's a grand spectacle. What about the jungle?
We celebrate the abundance of fruits with a lively feast. The more, the merrier. Any favorite fruits?
Acacia pods are a savannah favorite. They're nutritious and delicious. How about jungle fruits?
Mangoes are a top pick. Sweet, juicy, and perfect for a jungle feast. What's your morning routine?
I start the day with a stroll, savoring the sunrise. How about you and your monkey troop?
We have a playful morning swing routine, followed by a hearty breakfast. It sets the tone for the day.
Sounds like a joyful start. Well, monkey, it's been wonderful sharing these stories. Until our next cross-habitat chat.